Good morning, students. How are you? How is everything? Today, we want to go into resources from living things. When we talk about living things, you know that what they are plants and animals. Our learning objective, that is at the end of this lesson, students will be able to what? Define, number one, resources. Number two, list common resources from plants. Number three, state the usefulness of the listed resources. Now, what is resources? Resources are assets or raw materials provided by nature, which can be utilized by human beings for their well-being. That is, these resources, we are not the one who made it. It is there, trees and animals. They are there for us to use for our own purpose. That is, the importance of these resources. We see that for ourselves. Number one, plants and animal resources provide employment for individuals, like horticulture. Those things are resources. They provide food which maintain body. The plants we grow, the orange, the mango, the guava, all the fruits, they provide what? Food for us. They also provide what? Wealth. When we sell those fruits, we have what? Our income. Then what is the importance of resources to the society? Number one, production of plant and animal resources provide raw material for manufacturing industries, like timber is from plants, for making for making roofs, for making chairs. So they are raw materials. Number two, plant and animal resources may be exported to earn money. Like as I said, our timber is exported to overseas, and it earns us money. Hide and skin are exported to overseas, and they earn us money. Wealth endangers peace in a nation. Yes, that is, if there's no wealth in a nation, the nation will not go well. So what are the resources now from plants? Resources from plant first, then we now go to resources from the animal. So resources from plants. Examples are food crops, cash crop, wood crop, textile and fiber crop, rubber, oil crop, manures. These are the resources from plants. We will now take them one by one. Food cash crop. These are grown mainly for sale, especially for export to other countries. Examples are cocoa, oil palm, cashew, cotton, sugar cane, and so on. Also timber. We get them and we export it to other countries to give us wealth. Can you see the picture of cashew and cocoa? Then the wood crop. These are two types. There are two types of wood crops. Number one, soft wood. These are the pines, spruce example. And the second one is hard wood. Examples are mahogany, ebony. We have also obeche and others. So the soft wood is for making paper and also for building. The paper we are writing on are made from soft wood, while the hardwood provide timber for carpentry, for making chairs, for making furniture, and also for building. Can you see the picture of the timber we use? Then the next one is rubber plants. Rubber plants provide lattice for making rubber tires, tubes, plastics, and other things like that. Another things like that in our industry. We also have medical extracts from leaves, from barks of trees, also from the roots of trees to treat some ailments. Also, there are chemical extracts from tea, from coffee, just for our drink. Then we have manure material for our nutrients in the soil, to use as nutrients in the soil. Manures are dead plants that decay in the what? In the soil. So look at the lattice we are talking about. Then also the cash crops. The fruit crop now. The fruit crop we have leafy what? Vegetables, e.g. Spanish, lettuce, cabbage, water leaf, pumpkin, and so on. They are source of what? Vitamin for us, especially vitamin A and vitamin C. Then we have fruits like pepper, like tomato, okra, orange, pawpaw, guava, pineapple, that provide vitamins and mineral salts. We also have what? Grains. We have groundnuts. We have cowpea. We have cashew nuts, melons. We have locust bean, which provide protein for our body. We have grains like cereals, e.g. rice, maize, sorghum, millet, wheat, which contain mainly starch for energy. Can you see? For starch, we have cassava also. Can you see the picture of cassava? If you have not seen before, this is also cashew nuts. They are converted to other food items like cornflakes, like bakery products, e.g. custard. Then we have an underground crop like cassava, as you have seen the picture, yam, carrots, cocoyam, Irish potato, sweet potato, and others. Then we have the oil crop. Example of oil crop are oil palm, coconut, melon, even cashew, groundnut and cotton. They provide oil for cooking, soap making, body cream, and margarine. We also have what? The leaf from palm. We call it palm leaves, used for making mats, bags, baskets, and hats. And we also what? Have beverages and what? Stimulants, e.g. from coffee, from cola, and from what? Tobacco. Can you see an example of oil crop, which is what? The oil palm. Then we have crops for textile. They are fibers for making clothes, e.g. cotton, rope, mats, net, are also produced from crop like jutes, baobab. These are the what? The resources from plant, as we have what discussed. Now quickly we move to resources from animal. What are the resources from animal? We have the livestock. Can you see the picture of animal there? There are the livestock. We have the poultry. We have the dairy products. We have hide and skin. beast of burden, fishery, we have wool. All these are animal products or resources from animal. Then we want to take it also what? One by one. The livestock. Livestock animal. They are animal reared for food and for sale, e.g. cattle, sheep, goats, rabbits, pig, etc. And they give us milk. You can get milk from them. You can get meat from them. Also, we can get dungs for manure from them. Then hide and skin. Also, we have, their bones are also what? Useful. Out of poultry. The poultry includes what? Fowls, goose, turkey, duck, pigeons. They provide meat and egg. Their feathers are used for decoration and for making pillows. And the droppings from them are also for manure. Out of dairy products also. Dairy products are what? Those milk and milk products, such as cheese, butter, yogurt, ice cream, etc. They are source of protein, fats, and mineral resources. So the milk we eat are from what? From cow. They are from sheep. Others from even camel. Then number 4 we have what? Hide and skin. Hides are skin of large animals, e.g. cattle, horses, camel. While skin are the skins of smaller animals like goats, sheep, rabbits, etc. So hide and skin are used for making leathers, needed for our shoes, our bags, our boxes, and many others. So these are the things we can use what? Hide and skin for. What of fishery? Fishery is a place where fishes are reared for food and for sale. Fish is a source of vitamins, source of fats and oil, then also mineral salts. We say that what? All these are here for us to use. Other aquatic animals, organisms used for as food are prawn, crab, crayfish. And you see that some of these fishes are good for us. They help us to control some organisms that are harmful to our body, like mosquito. Tilapia fish is used to what? To eat the larva of mosquito. Then we have wool from the sheep. Can you see the picture? The wool from the sheep is also used. The wool is made what? Is used for clothes in the winter. Then the next one is what? Beasts of burden. Animals used to do heavy work, e.g. donkey, camel, horses, mule, elephant, ox, cow. They are used for various activities like number 1, transportation. Donkey is used for transportation. Horses also is used, and also what? Elephant. Then also they are used for plowing and farming, e.g. ox and cattle. Then for carrying heavy load, e.g. donkey. And also for sport, e.g. horses. So can you see camel? Best of body, the camel. Can you see the donkey for carrying load? The picture. Can you see what? Yoking of oxen. When the two animals, oxen, are tied together, and they use what? To farm. Can you see it there? For plowing. For sporting, that is what? Horses. Then other sources from living things. We have yeast Yeast is used in fermentation of sugar to produce alcohol in alcoholic what? Industry. And carbon dioxide that make bread to rise. So use what? Yeast in bakery. In baking bread. It make bread to swell, to increase in size. We also have antibiotics made from types of fungi, e.g. penicillin. Also, improve what? Soil fertility. Fungi and bacteria are important decomposer. When they are in the ground, they decompose the ground and they add nutrients into the soil. So soil nutrients are returned to the soil in such a way. Even if all those fungi and bacteria died, they return what? Nutrient to the soil. So some bacteria can fix atmospheric what? Nitrogen. And some mushrooms are edible. They are good for our head, for our body, and they help us to add nutrients into our body. So these are the resources from living things, from plants and animal. And I'm very sure that by the grace of God, we have learned those resources, what we can use plants for. Those resources from plants are useful to us. Resources from animals are useful for us, both in our body, also in many things. In agriculture, provide food, for commerce, provide what? Income. And some people live in what? On this for their living. Thank you very much. God bless you.